Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the right index. You must know which column the query filters or sorts on. Create a B-tree index for equality and range conditions, or a hash index only if your engine supports exact match optimization. Once done, run explain to confirm the planner will use the new index. You want a lower cost and an index access path instead of a full table scan. Make sure to consider cardinality and selectivity when picking columns to index. Now modify the SQL so the planner can use the index. Place predicates on the indexed column and write join conditions to match the index order. Avoid wrapping the column in functions because that blocks index usage. If transformation is required, create a generated column and index it. Once implemented, prefer covering indexes that include all selected columns so the database can satisfy the query from the index alone, reducing random I/O and latency for repeated reads. You finish by validating results with explain analyze to see actual runtime and I/O, compare index scan versus sequential scan metrics. If the index is ignored, update statistics, check for mismatched types or function use, and ensure the index column order matches multi-column predicate patterns. Rebuild or drop unused indexes to reduce write overhead. One key troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, refresh table statistics and rerun explain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.